total confusion for inside Boya as well the talk for this side so country people then with the try for ESA for Muya and even for my 17. All man it did run now for enter for a house as we gone in the hala. Sorry for my 14 Dibanda with the ESF say Oga Mayor with the people them for a delegation for forestry. They did for that side. They did struggle for court stick them for ground. Now so confusion inside Boya with the Heram. Sabi say for Boya Sesep with the ESF say dirty. It don't flow for all sides. After we company with the local dirty, they burn imoto them for that side. It be dinner for Sunday. People them for Anglophone General Conference too. They don't send for outside 3 questions them where they want and say me Anglophone people they answer before even than Dongamen for Anglophone General Conference. A meet up. This one now for inside some book where Christian Cardinal Tumi Sesep a writer a come out and for outside. Story for this afternoon too, we go take people them enter for market for non-glacé. Now for inside Douala here, where this sometime it be hot. After people them for city council enter for inside market for us a ticket and as all the talk, plenty mami them they be vexed inside this arraignment. Newspaper says day we go talk with where they talk. Big part talk for this afternoon. It tell we say waiting. Say person where he drink soup for snake pepper soup, he don't chop na snake. As a person where he drink soup for snake pepper soup, he don't chop na snake. Ngong Ivo Mua for that side so for Tico. Now he saying we big part talk for this afternoon. At the turn back small time. Country people them with the glad plenty for meet up una for this side. Sabi say na for today so we dey so people themselves Siseko Ayok Tabi and other people them they dey for before military court for that side so for Yawende. We go surely turn back for inside that Tori after. Tori for this afternoon, we go start for inside Douala here. We take on a go for place where they call am say non-glacé. Now for that side so for Elf, na village where it is so market size sesep it be hot. This early morning time before we want enter for the way place, it be done quiet small for inside non-glacé. Now for place where they call am say village. Tori we enter we here, it try for tell we say council people them as well as see that motor so they don't can carry people that cheer them. Place where they decide their binet for carry and go. Now for Sika waiting, they try for talk say the people they never pay money where it then a money for tax. For Sika that one, people them for council enter for inside market this time. Chakara even mami the way they say banana for roads. Carry plenty people their own table where they may be on top. They say sote they finish do waiting. When they finish pay their tax, now only that time they go give them table. So it be then a total confusion for inside market for non-glacé. And Sabi say people the way they no be one time say make they carry their table then go. One time they start for pay. So now the 2 council people then that woman where is here with the book and some other palm, they be turn up for they take money cash for inside their pack. As well we see they pay 12,000. It means say any of them mami them, no matter say where the mami is the same, it be pay na 12,000 for that council people them where they can enter for inside market for non-glacé for ask money where they get for pay and for tax. So now the money then that as well you see that ticket. When they give that ticket, they go talk say na money that way you get for pay am. Someone they talk say na fake ticket. 12,000 now the money where they pay am for all corner for that side. So it make am plenty people them for market for non-glacé today. They be make small mash. Even before they be one start pay for Sika say they no want to say make the carry their business in them go with them. So it be then a small fight before we want enter we fight sesep. It be don't finish for market for non-glacé. We go left palava for inside market. We take una enter for Boya as well we talk. Palava dirty. It don't start enter again for Boya plenty. According to Tori we enter for we ear. Say this dirty way don't determine plenty for road for Boya. Now for Sika say company way the look at dirty. Themselves they don't vex after where they be burn their motor for that side so for Musaka. It be then for Sunday. Sabi say the company it don't can carry all it container them where they put dirty for inside. It go keep them. Now so to even the place where they used to keep their iron container them they don't carry and go keep them. So Boya just now as well the talk e don start enter for small dirty kind style. Sabi say boya e no be don ever dey so. We hear say council for boya e be start for carry dirty yesterday, but e no be fit for carry all the dirty. We go surely turn for inside boya again, so that we go show na face for boya as wey boya e dey. And just for sabi wetin we will try for talk for this afternoon, we hear say moya e dey hot, they don burn motor for that side. And even for my 16, my 17, we hear say all people that dey run enter na for inside place. Bine people that don lock for Sika place e dey hot for inside boya. We go surely turn back with the image for two way the pass for boya today for some time when we turn back for here. But sabi say even as wey confusion dey happen, people dem for Anglophone General Conference, they don so dey meet up. Na boya town this as well be turn for inside yesterday. Sabi say place where they call am say Munya, and place where they call themselves say Moyoka. Na place where fire e don dey catch. Motorway dey see am so na one way dey so e be born for Saturday wey na motorway e carry cocoa on top his skill wey dey put fire for them for on Saturday for inside that side so for Moyoka. Sabi say place e dey so the hot. My 14 to the born two motor e be dey na yesterday wey they born the two motor them for that side so for my 14 na for inside boya. But sabi say even as we place e dey hot plenty so for place where they call am say boya, people the way they don't talk say they go happen this all Anglophone conference or Anglophone General Conference as wey they call am, they don sandai say this ndongamen for Anglophone General Conference it must to happen. Say suffer for people them for Norwest, suffer for people them for Southwest, it over plenty. So meeting for lookout inside as well they prepare, it be happen for that side for Synod office. Imam for Bamenda wanna see face, he no be fear, he come up for Bamenda, he come for Boya. Baptist SSF, he don't join inside this Ndongamen for Anglophone General Conference. This Ndongamen way pass for Synod office for Boya, he be then for see as well they prepare, as well this Ndongamen e get for pass. Sabi say the Ndongamen normal e be get for pass for 21-22 day for inside 11 moon, but as well people they no be get authorized na why that way Ndongamen for Anglophone General Conference e no be pass. But just now meeting for prepare this big Ndongamen for Anglophone General Conference e happen for Synod office, and Christian Cardinal Tumi Sesep e be dey for Lucam. Sabi say as well they be meet up for inside Boya's home, as well they meet up for inside Boyam, just for Sabi say themselves they don't send a letter for outside. Yes, letter where they don't send them for all people them for Anglophone. Say may they look inside. This letter it then say one they be try for talk it them say they be sorry for Sika say the Anglophone General Conference where they be plan time where they be plan it no happen. But now they don't send a big 3 question them for all Anglophone the way they talk say they go surely answer that question for social media. And the 3 question the way they don't send them for outside. Now say question number 1, they ask Anglophone people then say wait in the check say na e dey the problem for this confusion wey dey pass for Norway and Southwest. Number 1 question. Number 2 question wey they don't send am for outside for people dem for Anglophone too for answer am. Now say wetin which kind of governor they want and say make Cameroon e get, na federal governor or na unity state wey dey for inside. And the number 3 question where Christian Cardinal Tumi put am for before, now say wetin say dem no check say e find say make they bring some other lesson for inside with school pikin them moral philosophy, so that pikin themselves they feel the learn some kind of thing them. So now the 3 things then that where people them for Anglophone General Conference they don't put them for outside question them, and where they feel for answer now for social media or for any means where they get for answer the question. And they don't talk say wetin any man where the answer question he must to write in name. Yes, he must to write in name place where he did done and the answer is sent for before. So question number 1 they ask am wait in the check say it be the problem for Norway and Southwest. Question number 2 which kind of governor they want and say make it be for inside Cameroon, federal governor or unitary governor wey dey for inside just now. Question number 3, na say wetin dem no check say moral philosophy sef if e be for inside book wey we school pikin dem dey learn am. Na the 3 question that wey people dem wey dey call Anglophone General Conference dem don send am for outside just now, and dey talk say wetin enter for their Facebook page only for you for send that answer dem for question wey dem don ask am, and dem don talk say wetin you must to talk side wey you dey shidon before you dey send the message. All that thing dem so na wey dem don send am for outside just now. Country people dem, we go left at that palava for Anglophone General Conference just now. We enter for inside this other waka. We honor them for German a country, Angela Merkel. They don't enter for inside Cameroon just now. And just for sabi say inside the arraignment country people dem, now for tell you say wetin palava disarmament committee wey Nkunkuma make am, they don't glad plenty. They say this disarmament committee e don dey be for all sides. They the prayer say e go help to for help solve palava inside Cameroon. So for inside the palava, as well they go see Peter Mafane Musongem. Now so too they talk for Oga Peter Mafane Musongem. Say this bilingualism commission they don't come for council as well then say they feel help as well the commission it don't turn up. And they try for talk say wetin they don't come to for see as well Cameroon and Jamaman if he make binet and wetin way Jamaman he go gain and wetin way Cameroon person too he go gain. Sabi say they don't talk say inside the palava too as well they come for inside country. Now for do wetin now for say make they see as well woman themselves they go enter plenty for inside politics according to the honorable way they come up for Angela Merkel country. They don't try for talk say it dey so woman for inside Cameroon e dey like say e dey fear for enter for politics. So now just some of the work that where they can do, but one thing where they don't glad plenty now this armament committee when Nkunkuma sef e comot am, they the prayer say e go help as well e don help for plenty other country them, and they say they go continue for maybe net with Cameroon anyhow way thing them they want on. We go take una go for that side for Penja for talk say we sister them two way their one foot it don't cut, their one hand it don't cut where they know they see. They call them na physical disabled people them, or you want call them na Ebuam. Them say they be get their big day where it pass so for that side so for Penjam. Now so say we too we enter for inside big day for these handicapped people them for side where they call them say Penja. Sabi say this we brother them someone the day when an accident it make them before their one hand it cut. Other one, he make am na foot he cut. Other one too, he be na nature way it happen after we they born them. So it be the big day for handicapped people them for that side. So for Penja, if you enter for inside that image for inside this handicapped people them. Yes, we'll be sorry for that small mistake for that side. Now we own sister, the mommy them and papa the way their one hand, he get problem. We call them a disabled, but as we talk, them say they be get time for gather for inside one house for that side. So for Penja, for them to for glad. As well they be get big day for their own people them. Sabi say the big day it be then a time where all them where they get mistake for their skin they be get for meet up, and it be day to a time where they be get for talk the kind of thing where it really worry them. Wait till where they get away the worry them, all the mommy them one the way they get help they become for inside hall where it is so Oga mayor say for that side it be the day as well they be the glad big day for disabled people them for inside Penja and e be dey na time too for talk for this we mami dem say the condition wey dey no be na say all man dey like am, but ngomna say e dey look inside that palava. Sabi say inside ngando wey pass e be dey to na opportunity for this we papa dem and mami dem wey dem no get all their hand dem complete or even food dem complete for say wetin make the try for talk for ngomna the kind of suffer wey dey suffer and wetin wey dem want as say make ngomna say e do am inside the ngando. Some of the handicap people dem they become with some of the things that they fit for do am na so too they give them chop, they give them even rice and other small thing them for say ngomna is also there for their back, so they become to with their handwork wey they fit for do am. They show am for people that way they come for kangla with them. Now the handwork then that way they do am, the handicap people them till way they fit for do am even as way their one hand or their one foot in no day. Item 11 na I finish a whole show for that side for Penja. We go take una now so go for Bujumbura for that side. We go for Burundi for talk say New Stars yesterday. It don't qualify for 16 final for a CAF Confederations Cup. It be then a big time for Glads for New Stars. Yes, so na new start and that after we the nag Vitalo for that side, so for Burundi for them for continue for nag Dambam for Confederations Cup. Sabi say they be nag UMS Olum come out for game for that side, so for Nigeria Lobista na them they do that work. Cotton Sport for Gadwa he go continue for 16 final for CAF Champions League after them two way they nag their own people there they play with them. Sabi say be day to na inside the week, so na only two Cameroon team them Cotton Sport and New Stars they go continue for CAF competition them for this year. Make we enter for Toriwe newspaper then say they talk con the people them inside at the guidance post where it dey for outside today. They talk for we say over 100 people them lawyer people them they get for day for inside Yaoundé military court just now. As so they talk for them for back Ayuk Atabi and even Ikombi them where they catch them bring them for inside country. So for inside the same chapter they tell we say Jamaman people them they dey for Cameroon and they be there with the bilingualism commission now for talk as way they fit stop this palaver where it happen for Norway and Southwest. Now so to see this too it talk say just now they want na 25 billion for see as way they fit for help for plantation where it don't die since where this palaver for Norway Southwest is start. Inside the same chapter for editorial, na so today they talk for we say it is so na time for Nkunkuma and Gomnam for get for find new anglophone people them where they go fit for help for solve the craze or the palaver where it pass for Norway and Southwest. Other to read the day for the guidance post where you fit for read them. The post weekend assessment it day for outside today. Con the people them make we enter for inside the post weekend that way day for outside. Sabi say for inside the post weekend it tell we say waiting gun cutlass na way near them they use a knack and even give wound them for driver people them and people there they want go work for my 17 park yesterday according to the post weekend that talk so for inside the post weekend they try for tell we say 5 Yengo Francis Sesep na he they don't put that a chair say make he go take a gun he come out to shake a shoot for Amba people them and Boko Haram Jahan. Inside the same story, they try for tell we say Kameko Sesep, he don't suspend Iwaka for outside a Cameroon. Now wetin happen, the post weekend he get the answer. Ndawara too, they tell we as we Ngongo to them, they born 6 normal people them too, they die for Sika fight where this also happen for this palava for Norway and Southwest. Company too, the look dirty for inside Boya side too. The post weekend they tell we say for that side, so for Boya, they don't stop work after we they burn their motor and even catch some of their work people them. So not only than that, where the post weekend where it dey for outside today, it don't talk up. Country people them now for this we'll finish story for this afternoon. Anyhow it wan be, we get for turn back for some time. We go surely get image for show na condition for Boya as so we hear Muyam, e no dey fine. My 16 too, e no dey fine. People them, they don't confuse. Plenty be near place them, they don't lock for Sika gun way e be the hala for that side. All that to them, we go surely bring up for now for some time, plus other one. Thank you plenty varios. Thank you to Malis and even you, Nadine Ngwafo. Anyhow it wan be, if Papa God 11 for some time, we go meet up again. On a whole, I'm tight.